Good afternoon everyone. First time out on the bike for quite a while. We've been through some horrendous weather, non-stop rain, freezing cold, but the only brighter point is the COVID restrictions are a bit easier now. It's this time of year that I go to see the bluebell woods. I'm actually a little bit late in the season. I'm just hoping that there's still something to see. Yeah, go and have a look around, see what I can film. Then I'm going a little bit of shopping after that. Oops, I want to go that way. I nearly forgot that I've got a turn here. That's because 99 times out of 100 I go the other way. Yeah, this present period of rain has been going on for about a fortnight now, and this is the first break where I felt confident enough to say, let's get the bike out. It's so annoying really. I've got the bike all taxed, insured, MOT'd, got a new crash helmet, a new camera to go with it, and I couldn't get the bike out. Yeah, the camera, my old one, which I've had 5 years, stopped recording audio. Tried to get my son to fix it, but no joy. So I've had to buy another new one. It's the same make, made by the Drift Ghost X. Well, very basic. It records what I want, 1080 by 30 frames a second. No remote control with it. It's got some nice big buttons on top of the camera that you can operate with your hand. But once I've got it fired up and recording, I don't very often turn it off after that. Also bought a new microphone to go with it from the same maker. So I thought, well, their camera, their microphone, hopefully it should record. I did order a camera prior to this one, slightly better, albeit slightly more expensive, but there were problems with it from the very start. So that got sent back, and now I'm trying this one. Yeah, not very far to go now, we're just along the end of this road. Yeah, there's the beginning of Bluebell Woods, as I call them. I usually park at the far end. I've not seen any other entrance. In fact, just here. Oh yeah, plenty of bluebells. I can see them from here. Let's manoeuvre around a bit. That's better. I've never come across woods with so many bluebells in them. Quite staggering. Let's go around a bit more. Won't be too long filming the bluebells. I don't like leaving the bike unattended that long. Yeah, nice. Come on, son. If I can do this without getting giddy. Yeah, the path stretches on for miles down there. Don't feel like walking all that far today. We've already done 8,000 paces. Don't know what this shot will turn out like. Oh, that was nice while it lasted. Feel happy now, I've managed to grab a few minutes. There she is. That wasn't a bad little walk around. go off now to do a little bit of shopping, then back home. It looks like it's going to start clouding up again. Right, got to turn a left here. Because that's how you get to the shops. Oh, the sun's come out again. Yeah, blue sky and clouds. Good job I'm recording it. Might not see it again for a while. Right, here we go. Watch out for shoppers with their trolleys. Just along here is a shopper's crossing point. These white lines. They come charging out the shop straight across it. Right, that's me parked. Right, I've got the shopping done. Just got back to the bike and a huge great raindrops. Let's hope I can get home without getting too wet. Yuck. Yeah, so it's really big, sploshy raindrops. May not be much, but that's how it's been the last fortnight.